With the ever-growing market of budget laptop, it is hard to find the one which strikes a good balance of performance, portability, and good build quality without breaking the bank. Welcome Motile. 14-inch performance laptop priced only $299 at the time of this review is raising the budget laptop bar to the new level. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy the review. Let's do a quick unboxing. In the box we have Motile 14-inch laptop, charging cord, quick start guide, and warranty information. Now let's look at the specs. The laptop is powered by AMD's 2nd generation Ryzen 5-3500U quad-core processor, 8 GB DDR4 RAM, 14-inch Full HD display, 256 GB SSD, 802.11 AC dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, built-in 720p HD camera and microphone, THX audio, Windows 10 Home, and weighs only 2.5 pounds. Starting at just 2.5 pounds, the Motile laptop is designed towards the ultra-portable category. When I opened the box, I was really impressed. The Motile laptop offers clean, efficient, and modern design. The top and bottom are aluminum with semi-flat finish. I wasn't expecting exceptional build quality considering its price point. First impressions from a visual standpoint is excellent when compared to any other laptop in this price category. On the bottom are two large rubber feet span almost entire the width of the base, providing exceptional grip. And there's a large intake vent in the bottom and two speaker grills. There's no flex to the body, and Motile laptop's 14-inch screen needs a little help from the other hand when you open the lid up. And lid can open to maximum 160 degrees. The Motile performance laptop features a USB-C port, USB 3.1 port, HDMI port, and the charging port. And on the left side of the laptop, we have one lock slot, Ethernet jack, USB 2 port, USB 3.1 port, and 3.5mm headphone jack. The Motile performance laptop comes with 720p resolution IR camera with built-in microphone, and following is a video quality from the webcam. The camera's picture quality is one of the best I've seen in a long time. It surpasses the $3,000 MacBook Pro webcam quality as well. The webcam can also use Windows Hello feature to unlock the device using facial recognition. Overall, Motile laptop has a design that is well over average in its class, and clean smooth body hides fingerprints very well. The Motile laptop display has a very thin bezels, and our unit came with 14-inch IPS display. The full HD resolution was quite nice and lets you view content in vibrant clarity, and LED-Backlit provides a thinner and more energy efficient screen. The display has non-glare matte finish, which is great. The Motile laptop has tuned by THX TM display, which does looks very nice. Tuned by THX devices come with a unique viewing angle mode that mimics the display used by Hollywood and TV professional. The Motile laptop visuals are handled by AMD Vega 8 graphics. Watching YouTube or Netflix 4K content looks really good, and this display works extremely well in low light conditions. The Motile laptop's keyboard is good for longer typing experience. It has a nice feel to it, and it definitely beats the competition in this price category. The pressure point is not noticeable, and the feedback of the key is good. The key size and arrangement are very good as well, and our unit came with backlit keyboard. But the backlight is something that could use some improvement, but it works very well in very dark environments. As far as the touchpad concerned, it is a regular size touchpad, and it is a precision touchpad, which means it is fast and precise. Touchpad also features the ability to double tap on the top left corner to turn it off, and there's even a little light that comes on when the touchpad is off. In the performance section, our Motile performance laptop is equipped with AMD Ryzen 5-3500U processor. The processor has 4 cores with a base clock speed of 2.1 GHz and a maximum clock speed of 3.7 GHz. The processor is rated for 15 watts and based on 12nm technology. This processor is used in mainstream and 2-in-1 laptops. Its performance is sufficient for everyday general usage and office tasks. It can also handle very well some more demanding stuff such as video editing. Our unit scored 1274 points in Cinebench multi-thread CPU performance benchmark running at 2.1 GHz, which is much better than the Intel's 8th generation Core i5-8265U processor. The processor is slightly faster than its previous generation Ryzen 5-2500U processor as expected. And in the CPU-Z benchmark, laptop CPU scored 2000 points in multi-thread and 321 points in single thread. In the storage solution, Motile laptop offers good read and write rates that are average in its class. Our units score 510 megabits per second read and 455 megabits per second write in SSD benchmark, thanks to its 256 GB SSD. In the graphics, laptop is powered by AMD Vega 8 processor. It's not powerful as dedicated video card, but Vega 8 can provide a very decent gaming experience in many of the popular titles, but also great for popular multiplayer titles like Fortnite, Overwatch or Rocket League. The Motile laptop comes with 802.11 AC wireless card, which supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual band, with the max speed of 433 megabits per second. In the audio, the Motile laptop is advertised as having THX audio, but it is disappointing to find out that this feature only works through the headphones. Also, the built-in speakers are not the greatest. They get loud enough to fill a medium-sized room, and the THX special audio software is helpful to fine-tune the settings to your liking. The Motile laptop stayed exceptionally cool during our testing. The hottest location of the laptop is the underside, reached 80° Fahrenheit after we played a full HD YouTube video for 15 minutes. That is well below our 95° comfort threshold. The touchpad reached only 68 degrees, and the center of the keyboard hit 70 degrees. In the battery life department, Motile Performance Laptop has 46 Wh battery. The 46 Wh battery can provide between 5 to 6 hours of runtime. If you use to utilize the power saving features, you could probably get near 8 hours of use, which is good enough for students for on-campus projects or taking notes during classes. When it comes to upgradability, Motile allows you to upgrade some of the components. You can access the laptop motherboard by removing the screws from the back cover. You need to be careful while removing the back cover with proper tool, but the process is very simple. You can replace or add bigger SATA form factor hard drive, or upgrade or replace RAM with available 1 RAM slot hidden under the cover, and laptop comes with 8 GB total RAM. In the CPU cooling department, we have a single heat pipe with heatsink and single fan. You cannot hear the fan noise during general usage, but temperature never crossed 85 degrees Celsius during our test, which means cooling is sufficient enough to keep the laptop temperature under control during gaming or CPU-intensive workloads. The Motile 14-inch performance laptop is a good overall performance machine. I wasn't expecting very much from a Motile laptop going into this review, but I'm pleasantly surprised by the performance and build quality of the system. The AMD processor in particular offers better CPU and GPU performance than the 8th generation Intel Core i5 processors. Casual gamers who like to throw in a game or two of Rocket League or LOL in between classes will find this AMD Vega 8 to be much more powerful for their needs. The Motile 14-inch performance laptop is an excellent buy for under $300. I would absolutely recommend it on that basis for anyone looking for a decent looking, decent build, budget-friendly consumer laptop. Let me know what you guys think of Motile 14-inch performance laptop in the comments below. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.